Are you facing a problem to fill a visa application form? Hello, we are from Rising Star Tours and Travels.
Hello, today we will let you know how to fill Turkey visa. First of all, search VFX Turkey on Google. Now visit on www.visglobal.com/turkey/India/ click on it and you can see VFX Global. There is 3 option. Now go to visa type, select your purpose to visit in Turkey and then go to downloads and open the download form with Adobe Acrobat or what software you have. Now you can see the Turkey visa form and open it. Now let's start to fill the go to tools, select file sign. Now come to first part, select your family, means your surname as per your passport. Now select your first name of your birth, and after that select ID number if you have any, then select your gender, male or female. After that, place of your birth, then write your marital status, your current citizenship, at birth, then your father name, or your mother name. Come to a type of passport, select what passport you have, like ordinary passport, diplomatic passport, whatever you have selected. After that, write your passport number and issue and expiry date of your passport. After that, write place of issue of your passport. Then come on 17 number. Here you can see that if you are resident in country other than your country origin, if you have, then click on right, otherwise click on no. Now you fill your present occupation and profession. After that, enter your current work address and your telephone number and email address. Now fill your home address and telephone number and email ID. per your passport. Then select what type of visa you want, like short visa, transit visa and long visa. Select as per your requirement. After that, how many entries you required, fill it according to you. Then fill duration of your stay and how many days visa you require. After that, have you ever refused a visa of Turkey? If you have, say yes, otherwise no. But if yes, then when or where, fill the details. And after that, have you ever been deported from, required to leave Turkey? If yes, then when and where, otherwise leave it. No. In the case of transition heavy entry, submit the final country of destination, leave it blank. Enter your purpose of visit in Turkey. After the date of arrival, and date of departure in then fill the port of first entry of transit route and means of transport. After that, fill who is you paying your trip cost in Turkey. If you then click on myself, otherwise if company answers, select according to you. And after that, fill the name of your host in Turkey. If somebody is invited you, then write on their details, otherwise write your hotel telephone number, hotel name, telephone number and email address. Means select according to you. And after that, means in support during your stay, select your option. And if you have any travel insurance, click right, otherwise leave it. Now date of filling visa and place. Final step, sign it. Now your visa application form is ready to submit.
Thank you for watching this video. We have hundreds of videos for different countries on visa application on our channel. Do you know many people make big mistakes in filing their visa application forms, which leads to visa rejection? Don't worry, we are here to assist you. If any country visa application form you feel is not there, then don't worry, comment in the comment box. We'll create it. We have many other videos related to travel which will help the traveler. Don't wait, my friends. Hurry, subscribe our channel now and click the bell icon if you want the instant updates. And also share this video on your WhatsApp groups with your friends.